Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Wanted to present another strategy that we use. As you can see in our comments, we tend to disclose our performance for the account. So all the strategies that we present are actually do in a live training environment. Um, and yeah, you can actually see our live results, unlike other uh, presenters with the present strategies and they test 100 times and all of that information. It's actually not good enough in our opinion. It needs to be tested, it needs to be shown. So that's what we do. We tend to test it within London and New York session where volatility tends to help, and also we avoid major economic news such as Fed decisions, non-farm payrolls. So yeah, you can see actually our results. We're not afraid to show it, and please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos and comment and ask us any questions you have. And now let's present the strategy, which is a really high risk reward ratio, given the opportunities that are coming in. So let's start with the time frame. We use the 1 hour time frame for this strategy. The instruments can be used on the FX, Commods, indexes, S&P, stocks, and cryptos. Basically, we tend to go for major pairs on the FX, dollar, pound yen, euro yen. On Commods, feel free to use it on silver and gold. Indexes, S&P 500, DAX, NASDAQ, stocks, endless amount of stocks, and cryptos tend to be on the main ones mostly, um, due to the unreliability of the other ones actually. So the indicators, let's put them in. They're just literally just two indicators. ADX. However, there's a line that we're gonna add to the ADX because we're trying to see um, the 30 line. We're trying to see a cutoff for the trend direction. Well, ADX, whether the price action is long or short, ADX tend to go point out the direction of the trend. So ADX could go up even if the price is down. ADX could go up even if the price is up, right? Now, the second indicator is EMA, moving average exponential. So bear in mind we use TradingView to add these instruments where you can actually even connect a broker or um, anything. Length 20 and method is EMA, right? Exponential moving average. So the rule is ADX is above 30. Whether it's a long or a short, ADX needs to be above 30. Price action touches and closes above EMA. So here ADX goes above 30. Let's put that horizontal line. Let's follow to the candle, right? This is where it starts. But then we want price action to touch and close above EMA. Okay, so here it is. It touches and it closes above EMA. So then we open at the close of the candle, and then the stop loss is previous low plus 5 pips, right? Just in case you have another spike lower. Risk reward ratio on the take profit is 3-1. However, this is where it becomes a bit more dynamic, where you want to reap the benefits of it. So if it doesn't go above a previous high, this is the previous high, let's mark it. It remains a stop loss and 3-1. However, if it goes above the previous high, which it does, then the stop loss becomes a trailing stop at EMA 20. So what that means that this will become your stop loss. So where does it touch EMA 20 here? Right? So it actually does a 2.24 to 1 risk reward ratio where it takes the profit because it went above the previous high. Let's take another example. Here's a very small one. So ADX above 30, then it tends to be right about here. And it opens the trade, and then it crosses above previous high, and then it closes at EMA, right? Let's go again. ADX above 30. It opens the trade, stop loss, previous low, plus 5 pips, and then it goes all the way here where the trailing becomes EMA, and it does a 5.6 to 1 risk reward ratio. And let's see an example on the short side, actually. Again, ADX above 30. It touches the EMA, opens the candle, next candle, stop loss above the previous high. It breaks the previous low, so the ADX becomes trailing, and it closes around here. Let's put it to the edge right here, right? So that's a 2.88 to 1 risk reward ratio. Let's see another short example. So ADX above 30, it touches, it retests EMA, stop loss above previous high, and then it breaks the previous low, and then the EMA becomes the trailing, which the trailing then it will close the trade right about here, which gives you a risk reward of 1 to 1. Okay, so I hope you found this useful. Just practice some more examples, and see how it goes. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us, leave a comment, and yeah, thank you very much.